Hello, my name is Jeff Gregory, and I live here in East Dallas on Honeycutt Road, and I've just had a brand new air conditioning heating unit installed by First Class Air. We had a crew out here working, and they did a great job. I can use the word thorough and professional, I think, to describe their work. They're out here again today checking on everything to be sure the system is working good. It is cooling the house beautifully. I'm very pleased with this unit. It's quiet, and looking forward to many years of very good service from this unit and this company.